Welcome to ALCOHELLO. My name is Think Twice Mike, and I'm going to teach you 3 easy drinks you can make with Kahlua. Espresso Martini, Mudslide, and a White Russian. I'm going to teach you 3 easy ways on how to do that right now. Here we go. This is my way of making the White Russian. So first, it's going to be equal parts vodka and Kahlua, or coffee liqueur if you're choosing. I'm going to do Kahlua. And headache vodka, of course. Gotta love it. So we'll do 1.5 ounces, 1.25 ounces-ish. So basically what I just made in this container with the vodka and Kahlua, that's gonna be a black Russian. Usually you'd add cream or milk. My favorite thing to do is use whipped cream. It's very easy. Just put a little squirt of whipped cream, a little dab will do, some ice up in here. You give it a little shake. There you go! And there you have a White Russian. Very simple. Vodka, Kahlua, and whipped cream. Hell yeah, baby! White Russians for days. And that's how you make a perfect White Russian. That's good. I'm going to be teaching you how to make an Espresso Martini. It's going to be equal parts vodka, Kahlua, and espresso. Very simple. So we'll start off with 1 ounce or 1.25 ounces of your espresso or cold pressed coffee, whatever you have at home. Just make it easy on yourself. We're all quarantined, right? And so we're gonna use equal parts, like I said. So let's do the same for the Kahlua. 1.5 to 1.25 ounces, and same for the vodka. Actually, let's make it 2 ounces since it is a martini. Bada bing. We'll ice it down. That smells good. And usually you give it a double strain, but we're at home, so we're gonna just pour it up over here. You'll see how it gets a little fizzy bubbly on top. And there you have it. An espresso martini. Simply delightful. Oh yeah. Daddy-like. Okay, last but not least, we are going to make our final and frozen drink with Kahlua. This one is going to be called the Mudslide. It's going to be equal parts vodka, Kahlua, and Bailey's. A lot of people like to put ice cream in it. I say hoopla, we don't need that. It only makes it more sweet, right? And it's already a really sweet drink. So we'll have a lot of fun with it, and here we go. So like I said, equal parts vodka, Kahlua, and Bailey's. One. Oh yeah. And just because I love Oreos, I'm gonna throw an Oreo in it because it's good for the soul, why not? And then we're just gonna ice it down a little bit. Throw the blender top on. And we'll give it a good swirl, baby! Let it ride! While that's going, I'm going to take the chocolate and give it a swirl around the glass. Almost done! Alright. And now that it's nice and frothy and frozen, we'll pour it into the glass. And we'll top it off with a little whipped cream. And who says it's done until there's another fucking Oreo in it? Freaking whatever I say. And we'll top it off with a juicy straw. Oh, goodness. We're spilling everywhere. Take a sip and it'll be fine. And there you have it. 3 easy drinks you can make with Kahlua at home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your delicious cocktails and have fun quarantining. Happy quarantining, everybody. Subscribe below. Please comment. Thank you so much for watching. And see you next time on ALCOHELLO.